How to log into Unicredit Bank online banking. First, Google search for Unicredit Bank login online, and you want to click on the first website that pops up right here. It might take you to a page that looks like this, and you have to click on online banking, Bull Bank online, login, or it might directly take you to this page. Now here, what you have to do is type your username and password to log into Unicredit Bank, and also you can log in with an electronically received ID code. So how this is going to work, you want to check your registered email for instructions, and you will type the ID code which you have received. Then you will need to go through 2 more prompts, and once you go through those 2 more prompts, then that is going to make you sign into the Unicredit Bank. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.